The sound has an ethereal quality to it. As you move from room to room, you start to perceive the tiny micro-harmonies that happen as the sounds are layered on top of each other. You might stand in one place and hear a predominantly low tone, and then maybe just take a step or two over and suddenly a whole new atmosphere of high to mid-range frequencies comes in and takes over the way that you hear the sound. The frequencies being used in the Wave Decay Sonotorium are meant to have a healing effect on the body. The sounds have been arranged in a particular harmonic relationship that promotes wholeness and health. The space has a sense of mystery to it, a sense of a lost treasure being found, an undiscovered and forgotten structure. Some parts decrepit, some parts ornate, some parts magnificent in their half-hiddenness. As you walk through the dreamlike soundscape, you discover rooms with full-grown trees inside of them. The droning sounds change the way that you perceive the building, as if you've walked into a real-life dream. Wave Decay Sonotorium is a sound installation that was created by Katie Anderson and Justin K Prim.